I'm here with
Mike Ross.
If it's raining, are you gonna get more rain on you running or walking? I'm here with
Lavi.
Zoe. Will more rain fall on you if you're running or walking? I'm here with
Derek.
I'm here with
Hi, I'm Kai.
If it's raining, will more rain hit you if you're running or walking?
I'm gonna get more rain on me walking because I run like a 4.2.
It depends, cause like if it's raining like mad hard, I feel like if you're running, you're gonna get more rain on you.
Running or walking?
Walking.
It's gonna be a weird answer, but it honestly depends on the speed in which you're walking.
Why?
Because like the rain has more time to hit you.
That's a good point.
Cause like if it's raining like mad hard, I feel like if you're running, you're gonna get more rain on you. If it's like drizzling, whatever, and you're walking, I feel like you're gonna get more rain on you.
If you're running, you're gonna be running into the raindrops that's falling.
Yeah, so
You know what I mean? So
I see.
you could do it walking, but I feel like raining, you're gonna get more rain because you're running into extra rain while rain is falling down on you.
That makes sense. That makes
You know what I
sense.
mean?
I see.
So like it's
If either or. Okay.
Walking, but at a brisk pace because walking slow, you're gonna get rained on regardless.
Yeah.
Either way, it's a bad situation.
Zion is Zion the lion, Zion the lion, Zion the lion. Whoa, Zion the lion, Zion the lion, Zion the lion.
The other day I took a jog through the rain. The run was refreshing. My jacket got soaked, but I didn't mind. I posted it on my Instagram story. One of my Instagram followers replied to my story and said, quote, "Do you think more water droplets will fall on you if you walk or run through the rain? Here's what I think below. While walking, of course, you're more likely spending a longer period of time in the rain. While running, you are making contact with more droplets as there is a bigger surface area of your body to hit. While walking, rain that falls straight down most likely would contact you on your head, shoulders, a small portion of your back, and your legs and your shoes. But while running, more rain will be contacting your legs as they are outstretched, and much more rain will connect with the front of your torso a couple feet before it hits the ground. Let's say that someone's jogging pace is about twice as fast as their walking pace. Do you think the surface area that is making contact with the rain has doubled?" This led me to deep thought because I always assumed that running through the rain meant less would fall on you. If it's raining outside and you must go from your car to the grocery store, would you walk or run? Run, of course, unless you like the rain. But then again, running gets you there faster. What would happen if the walker and runner traveled for the same amount of time? By the way, I'm using the scientific method to answer this question. The scientific method consists of the following.
Question, hypothesis, experiment, analysis, conclusion.
So far we've asked a question, developed a hypothesis, so now we must experiment. McDuffin said, while walking, you're spending a longer period of time in the rain, but while running, you are making contact with more droplets. This is a comparison between time and space. However, we must compare one or the other, time or space. I chose time. I started by creating my test subjects, running Daniel and walking Pamela. My plan was to take them outside, running with Dan and walking with Pam, for the same amount of time each. I would then compare how much water fell on them and thus determine if more water falls on you while running or walking.
I got my jacket, I have walking Pam, and I have running Dan. It's not raining that much outside, but I don't want to risk having to do this again, so let's go. It's not raining.
This happened 3 more times. In the meantime, I sat by the window and worked on the script. When it started raining again, I hit it out.
I'm back. I thought this would be a multi-day video, but it's not. It's raining outside, and it's really raining more than I want it to, but we gotta get this done, so let's go.
Some of it is off camera, but I took Dan, started my stopwatch, and then flipped Dan to face the rain and began to run. Then I repeated the same with Pam, except walking. Now it's time to analyze, but note first that my conclusion will only be half the answer since we've only tested time and not yet space. That being said, from what I see, running Daniel got less rain than walking Pamela. Therefore, my conclusion is that less rain falls on someone who is running than who is walking. But that contradicts our hypothesis. But now, we test space. And spoiler alert. Now, we test space. And spoiler alert, MacGuffin may have been right. When it rains, there is no pocket of space where a less amount of rain exists. You can't dodge it and you can't outrun it. Therefore, when walking, running, or even standing still, the same amount of rain falls on you. When we bring surface area into the equation, when you're moving opposed to when you're standing still, there are more surfaces for rain to contact, like MacGuffin said. So the faster you move, the faster those areas can collect moisture. Therefore, my final conclusion is that more rain contacts a runner than a walker who is traveling for the same amount of time through the rain.